Good morning, babies. How are you? I hope you all are doing great at home and are safe and healthy at home. Yes? Alright. Do you know who am I? I am Neha, ma'am. Yes. And do you know why I am here? I am here to come and help you for a special day celebration. And do you know what is it? Think, it's a special day for your mummies. It's the Mother's Day. Yes, so what are we going to do? I'm sure you want to know. But first tell me, how many of you go and say thank you to Mama for all the things that she does for you? Do you say thank you to Mama? Mama, thank you for doing this for me. No one does it, I know. So on this day, when we celebrate Mother's Day, we are going to tell Mama a big thank you for doing all the things. You know, so many things she does for you. She bathes you, she cooks yummy food for you, she makes you study, and she even sits for your online classes. Yes, but we forget to say thank you to her, right? So on this Mother's Day, that is 9th of May, we are going to celebrate Mother's Day with a difference, and we have planned a big surprise for her. Shh, that's a secret between you and me. So what are we going to do on Mother's Day? Do you know? We are going to make a Mother's Day card, and we are also going to make a yummy dish sweet for her. Yes. Now every day Mama cooks for you. So do you want to cook something for her? Yes. So you have to watch this video and make these things that I'm going to teach you, and give it to your Mama and surprise her. Okay, are you ready for it? Yes? Alright, let's start. Alright, babies, for this craft we need a colored sheet, a thick colored sheet, some stickers. Okay, you can use any stickers at home. We'll need a pencil, markers, black and red, a pair of scissors, and one long strip. Okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to trace our hand. So I'm going to trace, and what you have to do, you have to put your hand on your sheet like this and make a outline of your hand with the help of a pencil. Okay, like this. Now we're going to take the other hand, place it here. Okay, and do the same thing. Okay, now what we're going to do, we have to take our baby scissors and cut it. Okay, cut the outline of the hand like this. Now we have cut the outline of both the hands. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Okay, so these are the two hands. Alright, now what we have to do, we have to take a strip like this. Okay, and do a fan fold. How do we do a fan fold? First we have to fold the paper, take a small part of the paper and fold it on the top, and then turn your sheet and again fold it on the other side. Okay, and now again bring your sheet in the front and then fold fold it again. So front and back folding here. This is how we fold it in the back, and here how we fold it in the front. Now we have to write on this. Okay, so you're going to take help of your papa or any other elder person in your family and ask them to write this much, the way I have written on the strip. Okay. On the top of both the hands, we have to write, I love you. So, this also you need to take help of your papa or any other person in your family and write it on both the hands the way I have written. Alright? Now I'm going to use some stickers to decorate my card. Okay, I had heart stickers and flower stickers, so I have used those. You can use any stickers that you have at home. Okay, if you don't have stickers, you can use colored sheets, make different shapes of flowers, and you can stick them the way I am doing it. Decorate the strip also. Okay, you can use the stickers on the strip and decorate that also. Now we are going to take some Fevicol, okay, and put it on both the ends of the strip, like how I am going to put it, okay, and then we are going to stick both the ends of the strip on the back side of both the hands. Now let it dry for a while, okay, and then we have to fan fold the strip and close both the hands the way I am going to show you. Alright. Surprise for your mummies? Yes? Okay, so you want to know how we're going to make it? I'll first tell you what all things we need for it and then we will start making it. Okay, so for this we will be needing some Mary biscuits, alright, some chocolate. This is Dairy Milk chocolate. I have put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. You can take help from Papa and ask him to put the pieces of Dairy Milk chocolate in the microwave, okay, and melt it. Okay, after this we'll be needing some jam. Okay, and some, see, these are colorful sprinkles. Okay, that's what we need, and some gems. Okay, so first what we are going to do, we are going to take one Marie biscuit and put some chocolate, okay, on top of it and spread it. Okay, so it's going to taste yummy. Let's spread it on the biscuit. Okay, after this what we are going to do, we are going to take one more biscuit, okay, and put it on top of it. Wow, that's a chocolate sandwich. Wow, and again we will take some chocolate and put it on top of it. Okay, now this is on top of it. Now I'm going to take some sprinkles and put it on the top. See, wow, it's looking so beautiful. I'm going to show it to you right now. See, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so I have made one chocolate sandwich biscuit and one more. So let's put jam inside this time. Okay, take some jam, put it on the top and spread it. Wow, yummy. And again one more biscuit, put it on the top, and let's put jam on the top first. Wow. Now I'm going to take some gems. Okay. Here, did you see it? Okay, that's one more. So let's make one more now. Now I'm going to put jam inside. Okay, and let's see what we'll do on the other biscuit. Okay, we'll put some jam inside here. Let's make a sandwich again. Wow, and now we're going to put some chocolate on the top. Yay! Let's cover the biscuit with chocolate. My mouth is already watering. I want to eat this all. Okay, now let's decorate it with gems. So I'm going to take different colors and put it all around. There we go. Let's take this. One more. Okay, and let's put some sprinkles in the center. See how beautiful it looks? So isn't it so easy? See, I have made so many children. Our surprise plate is ready for our mummies. Yay! I hope you will make this for your mummies and surprise her. Do share your pics and videos with your teachers. Okay, happy Mother's Day and give her lots of love and lots of kisses and hugs. Okay, and tell her that how much you love her. Alright?